If you have an idea for a digital business, the gap between idea and launch has never been smaller. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude, one of the world's most advanced AI assistants, to build a fully functional educational platform. In my case, I've called it Bloompuff. And then I'll show you how to monetize it instantly using Cleeng. We're going to set up a global digital subscription platform complete with payments and customer support, and we are going to launch in less than 60 minutes. Enjoy the video. First, let's take a look at what we're building. Bloompuff is an online platform offering certified courses and an AI mentor to help users uncover their hidden talents. To make this work, we need a recurring revenue model. We need a reliable subscription system that handles everything from checkout to tax compliance, so we can focus on the content. This is where Cleeng comes in. Cleeng is the unified digital subscription platform used by major D2C subscription brands, but it's also perfect for creators. Here is the best part. Cleeng is free to start. You don't pay any fixed fees until you start making real revenue. It upgrades your checkout, customer care, analytics, and payments immediately. Everything you need to scale your direct-to-consumer business is included right out of the box. Let's get into the dashboard. Once you have created your account, step 1 is configuring your product offer. We'll go to the Offers tab and select Subscription. You can configure monthly subscriptions, seasonal passes, or even one-time access to specific courses. Right now, we'll create a Bloompuff Premium plan. The beauty here is flexibility. As your business evolves, you can adapt your pricing strategy instantly without needing a developer to change your website code. Now, if you tried to build this yourself, you would have to worry about VAT in Europe, sales tax in the US, and compliance in Asia. Cleeng solves this by acting as your built-in merchant of record. This is crucial. It means they handle global compliance, tax handling, and fraud prevention across 13,000 jurisdictions and 37 currencies. You get a direct subscriber relationship, but without the legal headache. I want to sell my offers worldwide, so I need to specify the prices in different currencies. I am based in France, so I will show you how to set up a localized offer for the United States. In step number 4, click Add One. We need to select a country and then define the price. And that's it. Now that our offer is ready, step number 2 is branding our checkout. We want it to feel like a natural part of the Bloompuff. We navigated to hosted customer flows. Here we can customize the look and feel of our checkout and other widgets available, like sign-up flow. As you can see, the accent color here is green. I'm going to change the accent color to match the Bloompuff brand. Now, we need to prepare 3 key widgets: the checkout flow, the sign-up flow, and the user account portal. To get the code of each widget, you click on the tab, for example, Sign Up, and if you scroll down, you can see the embed codes section. This is exactly what you need to display the widget on your website. Copy these code snippets, and we will need them for Claude in just a moment. Before we build the site, there is one more thing that separates a hobby from a business: support. With Cleeng, you aren't just getting a payment processor, you are getting a support team. Cleeng is free to start, yet it includes expert-built, branded help center and a special human support. We are going to grab the embed code for the customer care widget. This gives our users a clear FAQ page and a ticket submission form. These tickets are managed by Cleeng's customer support team, so you don't have to hire support staff on day 1. Now, let's go to Claude. I'm going to ask it to build the HTML code with the Cleeng hosted customer flows, which we will be able to use later in website development. I pasted in my prompt describing the Bloompuff vision: a calm educational layout with a focus on self-growth. In seconds, Claude generated the HTML and CSS structure. It's responsive, clean, and ready for our logic. Now we just need to connect the plumbing. We will instruct Claude to take the code snippets that we copied from Cleeng, the checkout, the user portal, and the customer care widget, and write the HTML code that we will be able to use straight away. This replaces multiple point solutions with one integrated platform. Instead of fighting with plugins, we are simply pasting our digital subscription platform logic right into the code. Now that I have a ready-to-use HTML code, I will go to the code pen to show you how this works. I've already pasted the HTML code generated by Claude. It contains Cleeng widget snippet, that's why we're able to see the authentication widget right here. First, let's create an account and then we will be redirected to the checkout page. We were correctly redirected to the checkout. In the background, I've created an annual offer to show you what it looks like in the checkout. Here your customers are able to select the payment method and complete the purchase. The secure checkout handles the payment and the customer can now have access to the content on your page. Let's see what the customer care widget looks like in practice. Here, your customers can find answers to the questions, but also submit a ticket to the Cleeng team if needed. You have reduced complexity, improved reliability, and streamlined your operations under a single contract. Back in the Cleeng dashboard, you can now track 40+ essential KPIs, including MRR and churn analytics. We went from a concept to a global monetized business with professional support. Cleeng is free to set up, and you can do this yourself right now. Head to cleeng.com, create your account, and launch in less than 60 minutes.